PT Tancho Indonesia was established in 1969 as a joint venture company between Mandem Corporation Japan and Envy the City Factory, with a commercial production beginning in Sunter, North Jakarta in 1971. In 1993, PT Tancho Indonesia successfully listed its shares on the Jakarta Stock Exchange, and its rapid growth has resulted in a new factory and office in Sunter that was inaugurated in 1995. In 1997, PT Tancho Indonesia has changed its corporate status to PT Tancho Indonesia Tbk, indicating its growing status. In 2001, PT Tancho Indonesia Tbk changed its name and became PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk and inaugurated the first factory building in MM 2100 Industrial Town. And in 2007, the company inaugurated the second factory building in MM 2100 Industrial Town. On June 12, 2015, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk inaugurated another office and factory building in MM 2100 Industrial Town. PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk was determinedly with its innovative and highly creative product development, marketing development, and corporate management strategy, which stands PT Mandem Indonesia amongst its competitors. According to the philosophy of only one, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk's increasing contribution to consumers' life has positioned the company as a highly reputable company and needed by consumers, acknowledged by its mission to maximize consumer satisfaction. Supported by high-tech machinery, completed qualified experts, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk continues to innovate and ready for Asia Global Company. PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk's achievements have been acknowledged by industry peers by receiving awards such as ranked 9th in the Top 10 Value Created Award based on economic value added calculation held by SWA Magazine and Mark Plus in 2003, ranked 5th and 3rd for the same award respectively in 2004 and 2005. In 2006, the company achieved the Value Created Award for the category of public company with total assets of below 1 trillion rupiah. In 2014, achieved the certification of World Responsible Accredited Production and award from Spalding International. In 2015, Gatsby Skin Tonic and Gatsby Styling Wax achieved the Men's Health Indonesia Grooming Choice Award for the face care and hair care category. With its mission aiming to provide a comfortable lifestyle supported by health and beauty, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk seeks to bring the mission to life by balancing three important things. They are creating lifestyle values with consumers for consumers through comprehensive research, ultimately aiming to deliver products with high consumer value, high functional value, and high emotional value in accordance with our consumers' desire. Consumers' loyalty is the key to success of a company. Therefore, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk provides customer care services to give information and advice about the products, Pixie Beauty Community Program, and other informational events conducted by PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk. In addition, a form of information card is also provided as a media to deliver complaints and suggestions for the company's improvements. Based on consumer feedback, the Research and Development Department analyzed the data to produce product concept that is suitable for Indonesian consumers. To further strengthen advancement in quality products, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk also draw on a long-established synergy with Mandem Japan's R&D laboratories, allowing the company to keep innovating and maintaining the quality. Through both factories located in MM 2100 Industrial Town, production consists of formula with Japan's standard of quality to robotic plastic packaging machineries. The overall process are supervised by experts. Furthermore, by the presence of a new factory in 2015, production capacity is expected to increase by 1.6 times, which means that there are more that we can give to meet the needs of Indonesian citizens and consumers around the globe. To expand the marketing outreach and further increase the brand awareness, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk has implemented a series of events through printed media, electronic media, and digital media supported by some activity along direct contact with the consumers. Such as Gatsby dance competition held in several countries, namely Hong Kong, Korea, Malaysia, Taiwan, and Japan, and Gatsby Barbers competition with a total of 60 million rupiahs prize money. And also Gatsby Total Men's Style Surprise, which is a part of the consumers promo event. Pixi has also implemented its own brand-specific activity, such as Pixi Product Display, Pixi Goes to Campus, and Pixi Tokyo Beauty Trip, Pixi Perfect Surprise, and Young Inspiring Award held in 5 cities, and Beauty Career, which is a part of the consumers promo event. Through the equitable distribution networks in more than 51,500 stores, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk managed to prove that its products are well known in Indonesia and across the globe, with some brands specifically manufactured for exports to the countries where our success grows. In 1992, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk took a major step towards the global market by conducting export to Asian countries and Japan. In addition, since 1995, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk began to spread their wings by making exports to India and United Arab Emirates, which is then distributed to countries in Africa, the Middle East, and Eastern Europe. Products of PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk has been distributed equitably throughout Indonesia, with 49% of traditional market and 51% of modern market, of which the products are evenly shared, 50% of men and 50% of women. It proved that PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk is a total cosmetic company. PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk always do the best for the consumers, starts from listening the needs of the consumers to be able to present product variants, packaging, and also attractive and appropriate display which is fit to the needs of the consumers. PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk respects humanity and freedom, as embedded in the name of Mandem, that is human and freedom. PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk, based on these fundamentals, is empowering the staff at all levels to engage in common community that is rich in creativity in order to support the development and achieve the targets. To instill this with PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk, we have created a system, namely the Key Performance Indicator or KPI, the system that produces qualified and competent character of human resources. Provide training and job enrichment by providing training facilities domestic and abroad. One of them is a training program called Circuit Training, which acts as a form of Mandem Group Training or International Comparative Study. Provide facilities, benefit, compensations, and grading system to further improve the competitiveness and loyalty to the company. And also holding BA Award and SPG Award to motivate each individual who is involved in order to continue the creative works. To maintain and enhance good social relations, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk built two-way communications, encouraging harmony and solidarity with the community by signing up MOU with Bureau of Education of DKI Jakarta Province to establish a partnership with Vocational High School SMK in Jakarta area in 2009. The credibility of PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk is unquestionable. The measure of maintaining the performance of company as well as the consumer trust, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk held general meeting aiming to evaluate the achievements of the company's targets. Through this credibility and trust, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk has reported continued significant gains, achieving sales of 1 trillion rupiahs for the first time in 2007 and reached 2 trillion rupiahs in 2013, which shows that the sales increases every year. These achievements support the stable growth of the net income. Indonesia is a developing country with rapid economic growth, which affects consumer spending and demand for primary products. Therefore, PT Mandem Indonesia Tbk continues to adapt its products and strategies to meet consumer demands, develop on global standards and quality, but still keeping up with the character of Indonesian consumers.
Salam sejahtera. Di tahun 2016, Indonesia memasuki masa penerapan masyarakat ekonomi ASEAN, di mana produk impor termasuk kosmetik akan semakin banyak masuk ke pasar Indonesia. Di satu sisi, tingkat kompetisi akan lebih tinggi di bidang usaha dan jasa, namun di sisi lain tidak sedikit peluang dan kesempatan yang akan terbuka lebar baik di pasar Indonesia maupun ASEAN. Dengan pengalaman selama 45 tahun, kami yakin dapat memberikan produk-produk yang sesuai dengan kebutuhan konsumen dan mempunyai daya saing di skala global. Sementara itu, bagi perusahaan, di tahun 2016 adalah tahun terakhir dari periode Rencana Manajemen Jangka Menengah 3 tahun yang keempat atau MID 4, di mana kami telah menetapkan tema mewujudkan The Real Global Company dan penjualan 3 triliun rupiah sebagai target besar yang diharapkan dapat dicapai. Namun demikian, rencana ini harus mundur ke tahun 2017 karena di tahun 2016 kami akan fokus pada usaha-usaha untuk memperkuat fondasi perusahaan agar tidak hanya bisa mencapai target besar tersebut di tahun 2017, tetapi juga target-target lainnya di masa yang akan datang. Untuk mencapainya, kami akan meningkatkan produktivitas, mengembangkan produk baru, menambah aktivitas kegiatan iklan dan promosi, memperluas area distribusi baik domestik maupun ekspor, meningkatkan skill personal serta kualitas dan sistem produksi. Tahun 2016 diharapkan menjadi tahun yang lebih baik bagi ekonomi nasional dan global, dan kami optimis tahun 2016 dapat kembali mencatatkan pertumbuhan penjualan 2 digit dan siap menuju penjualan 3 triliun di tahun 2017. Kami, manajemen maupun karyawan akan terus bersatu dan berusaha demi kemajuan perusahaan. Dan kami berharap dukungan dan kepercayaan dari konsumen, mitra usaha, dan seluruh stakeholder dapat terus diberikan agar kami tetap dapat memberikan manfaat bagi kehidupan yang lebih menyenangkan, indah, dan sehat. Terima kasih.